Hi, welcome to the RJ4All Community Center. I'm Anna, Community Center Manager, and two project officers here for our center. So we are Restorative Justice for All. We're an organization that fights for our values, which is dignity, equality, human rights, and power sharing. And what we do a lot at our center is working with young people, and we work with the most disadvantaged one. I'm happy to tell you more about this.
So a big part of what we do at RJ4All is we deliver youth clubs for children and young people in South East London. We target 8 to 16-year-olds who are considered vulnerable or at risk of getting involved in crime or violence. As such, we implement the RJ in-year model into our youth clubs. The model believes that resilience can be strengthened and expanded, so we deliver 5 resilience workshops across the youth club, in addition to some activities which Carmen will talk more about.
Yeah, so each youth club we run a wide range of activities, from sports sessions that are structured like boxing, football, cricket, and even nature walks, in addition to arts and crafts activities, so every kid has an opportunity to learn a new skill and explore something like drama or restorative justice art, or even cooking. So catch us at our next youth club in October. Thanks.